Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you are fine and enjoying of the study. Today we are studying about the carbon and its compound. We can see the most multiple choice question. First question will be carbon has an atomic number of. Carbon has an atomic number of ऑप्शन ए 5, ऑप्शन बी 6, ऑप्शन सी है 7, ऑप्शन डी है 8. द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी 6. Carbon atom has an atomic number of the 6. Now we see the question number second. The valency of the carbon is A 2, B 4, C 6, D 1. The correct answer will be B is equal to 4. The valency of carbon atom is 4. Now we see question number third. Carbon belongs to which group in the periodic table? To group 14, group 2, group 17, group 1. So the correct answer will be carbon belongs to the group 14 in the periodic table. So option A is correct. Now we see question number 4. The bond formed when carbon shared electron, that will be ionic bond, metallic bond, covalent bond, hydrogen bond. The correct answer will be covalent bond. Correct answer will be covalent bond. Now we see question number 5. The ability of carbon to form long chain is called option A saturation, option B polymerization, option C contamination, option D destination. The correct answer will be C is correct. Contamination. Now we see question number 6. The gas released during the burning of carbon is oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, carbon dioxide gas, helium gas. The correct answer will be helium gas. Now we see question number 7. The simplest hydrocarbon is ethane, propane, butane, methane. The simplest hydrocarbon is methane. So correct answer is D. Now we see question number. Methane formula is C2H6, CH4, C3H8, C4H10. The correct answer will be B. Methane formula is CH4 and its structure formula is C bond H, bond H, bond H, bond H. The structure formula and molecular formula you can see. Now question number 9. The hardest natural substance due to carbon is option A graphite, option B diamond, option C coal or option C fluorine. The correct answer will be diamond. Diamond is the hardest natural substance due to carbon. Now question number 10. The softest form of the carbon is Option A diamond, option C fullerene, option C graphite, option D charcoal. The correct answer will be graphite. Now we see question number 11. Graphite is used as a glass, lubricant, jewelry, fuel. The correct answer will be lubricant. Graphite is used as a lubricant. Now we see question number 12. Which carbon compound is used as a fuel in the vehicles? Correct answer A option ethanol, option B glucose, option C acetic acid, option D sodium chloride. The correct answer will be ethanol. Option A is correct. Now we see question number 13. The general formula of the alkene is CN alkanes is CnS2n, CnS2n plus 2, CnS2n minus 2, CnHn. The correct answer will be B is correct. CnS2n plus 2. That is the formula of the ये विशेष यार कहाँ से आ गया carbon forms one covalent bond, two covalent bond, three covalent bond, four covalent bond. The correct answer will be four covalent bond. बढ़ा जाता ठीक acetic acid chemical formula is C2H6 CH4 C2H5OH CH3COH. The acetic acid chemical formula is CH3COOH. Now question number 16. Which carbon compound is used in soft drinks? Option A carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, methane, ethane. The correct answer will be carbon dioxide. Now we see question number 17. Carbon dioxide turns lime water blue, red, milky, orange. Correct answer will be milky. Now we see question number 18. Carbon monoxide is harmless gas, very poisonous gas, good for breathing, blue color gas. Correct answer will be B is correct, very poisonous gas. Question number 19. Diamond and graphite are alloy, mixture, allotropes of carbon, isotopes. The correct answer will be allotropes of carbon. Now question number 20. organic compounds mainly contains oxygen, sodium, carbon, silicon. The carbonic organic compound mainly contains carbon. So option C is correct. So thank you so much. Nice. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you so much. Nice. बोल